Hello everyone, once again, welcome you all in my educational YouTube channel. Today I am coming back with the new educational video. Here I will explain how to perform the clothing time practical. In this demonstration video there are the two portion, one is the theoretical portion and one is the performance portion. So we'll see how to perform the clothing time practical. So be with me. Aim of this practical is to find out the clotting time of own blood sample. Principle: clotting time prevent excessive bleeding during the time of injury, or clotting or coagulation test measure your blood's ability to clot and how long it takes to clot. During the coagulation, solution or liquid form of the blood convert into the gel or semi-solid form. Remember, during the coagulation, solution or liquid form of the blood convert into the gel or semi-solid form. Note down the time required for this physical change. Procedure for this practical is Lee and White's method, Wright's method and Duke's method. I will explain these three methods for to measure the clotting time of your own blood sample, but I will perform the practical by using the Wright's method. So here first we'll see the Wright methods. In the Wright's method, requirements. These are the requirements. First, you need pricking needle or lancet, watch, plastic sheets, pen or pencil, cotton swab, 70% of the methylated alcohol, which is also known as the spirits. You need the scale and the glass capillary or blood capillary. Procedure for this practical is: first, take a new or unused lancet or pricking needle and sterilize it with the 70% of the alcohol. Remember, if you take a new or unused lancet, then it is also needed to sterilize it with the 70% of the alcohol. Sterilize the tip of ring finger with the 70% of the alcohol using cotton swab. Then rub the finger to increase the blood circulation. Then hold the finger using your thumb. Give the sharp prick by the lancet on the tip of the ring finger. After pricking the needle, place the capillary tube in a vertical position at a pricking side of a finger from where blood comes out. So, blood moves from higher pressure to the lower pressure and enter into the capillary tube by the gravitational force. Fill the capillary about 80 to 90% of the total volume. After filling the capillary, after every 30 seconds, cut or break about 1/10 portion of the capillary tube until to get the thread-like structure between two broken parts of the capillary tube. You will get this kind of the thread-like structure between two broken parts of the capillary, which is also known as the coagulum. Note down this time and write into the result. So this one is your bleeding time. But remember, during this practical you need to add the correction factor. So what is the correction factor? If you take more than 10 seconds to fill the capillary tube, then add this time into the final result. The normal clotting time is lie between 4 minutes to the 10 minutes. So normal clotting time is 4 minutes to the 10 minutes. Now I am showing you the performance of this practical, how to perform this practical. So here,
So I am going to start the practice the clotting time. I have already discussed the theoretical portion. Now for the practical, there are the requirements. First, there is the 70% of the methylated alcohol. you need, which is also known as the spirits. You need to make the cotton plug. Then blood capillary. This is the blood capillary. Then napkin, lancet, which is also known as the pricking needle. Then watch. Also you need plastic sheet. So these are the primary requirements for the clothing. Before start the practical, it is essential that you have to cut your nail. It is the primary requirement to perform this clothing time practical, because when you prick your finger, that time blood spot or blood drop goes into your nail, and if you not wash your hand and after then you go to eat the food, then there may be chances to go that blood particle into your stomach, and it will produce the infection, as well as if you not wash your hand then and you go to shake hand with your friend, that time there may be chances to spread the communicable diseases. Every time you need to take fresh lancet. You need to take fresh lancet. Because of why? Because there in this practical chances to spread the communicable diseases. That's why not to use the any of your friend lancet. Every time you need to take fresh lancet. Then sterilize this fresh lancet also. Then take the capillary. You need straight capillary. Choose the straight capillary. I have selected to capillary. In this practical, give the motion to your hand first, which increase your blood circulation. Then apply the 70% of the methylated alcohol. Then rub the finger. I am showing you the holding position of this lancet. Dome shape portion from your side, groove portion from other side. These two finger at the down side, thumb at the upper side. Your first finger on the top side. It gives the pressure during the pricking, and this tip portion at the outer side. So it will give the sharp prick. So give the motion of your hand, then apply the 70% of the methylated alcohol. Then rub the finger. Then hold the finger. Then give the sharp prick. Here I have given the sharp prick. Then at the down side, due to the gravitational force, your blood goes into your blood capillary. It easily goes from top side. If there is the air comes, then withdraw that blood. Then again fill this capillary up to their 80% of the volume. If blood not come, then give the pressure. Then again fill it up to the 80% of the volume. Again give the pressure. I have filled up to the 80%, but for the good result I am taking one more capillary. here. Now wash or applied the 70% of methylated alcohol, then cut this blood capillary at the 30 second. There is no thread. When thread comes into the blood capillary, that will be your clotting time, because blood convert from liquid to the semi-solid or gel form. That is known as your clotting time. No thread again. Always observe the time, because you need to cut that capillary at every 30 seconds. There is no thread. No thread. Again, there is no thread. No thread. Again, there is no thread. Look, here some thread is going to produce, but it not give that much of perfection. So we'll wait for the another 30 seconds. Here thread is producing, but not completely, so we'll wait. It shows you the perfect thread like observation, so you can identify that blood convert from liquid to gel and semi-solid. Here you can see the thread is producing here. Just wait. Again the thread is not complete, so we'll wait for the another 30 seconds. Look, this thread, this is the complete thread, this one is the complete thread. Look, this is the complete thread. So this one is your clotting time. You can easily see this one is the this produce the clotting. So here there is the 1 2 3 4 5 minute and 30 second. That means it's lie between the normal range. 4 to 10 minutes is the normal clotting time. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11 cutting of the capillary. Each capillary shows the 30 seconds. That's why it is the 1 2 3 4 5 minutes and 30 seconds. So my blood clotting time is 5 minutes and 30 seconds. So it lies into the normal range. After performing the practical, it is needed you can you sterilize your finger, then discard the lancet into the well place, which cannot harm to the.
So at the 5 minute and 30 second, we got the thread like structure between two broken capillary. But I said you that when you take more than 10 seconds to fill the blood capillary, to fill the glass capillary, that time you need to add the correction factor. I have taken 30 seconds to fill that capillary, so I must need to add that correction factor into my result. So my result is 5 minutes and 30 seconds for the breaking of the capillary. At that time I got the thread like structure between two broken part of the capillary, and plus 30 seconds. That means final result is 6 minutes. So my own blood clotting time is 6 minutes after adding the correction factor. So here I have explained Wright's method. Remember, normal clotting time of your blood is 4 to 10 minutes. Normal clotting time of your blood is 4 to 10 minutes. Next method is Lee and White methods. Requirement for these methods are standard size test tube, watch, cotton swab, plastic sheet, syringe, 70% of the methylated alcohol, or you can say spirits. Also you need water bath, test tube holder, and thermometer. You need pen or pencil, as well as you need gloves. So these are the requirements for the Lee and White's methods. So here, how to perform these Lee and White methods practical. So here, remember here, in this Lee and White method procedure, collect the blood through the vein puncture or venous blood like this. Then collected blood pour into the standard size test tube. Approximate 1 ml of the blood you need to pour into the standard size test tube. You need to take the two test tube. Start the stopwatch and keep test tube in a water bath at a 37 degrees Celsius temperature. After placing it into the water bath, after 2 minutes, tilt the test tube for the blood clot like this. Tilt the test tube for the checking of the blood clot. Check for the clotting in both test tube at every 30 seconds and note down the result. Then take the take average time for the clotting in both the test tube, that is your clotting time. So friends, this one is the Lee and White's method, through which we can also measure the clotting time of our own blood sample. Next is the Duke's method. So requirements for the Duke's method is pricking needle, lancet, watch, plastic sheet, pen or pencil, cotton swab, 70% of the methylated alcohol, you can say spirits, glass slides. These are the requirements. In the Duke's method procedure, take a new or unused lancet or pricking needle and standard size and sterile it with the 70% of the alcohol. You need to take new lancet, and if you take the new lancet, don't forget to sterile it with the 70% of the alcohol. Sterile the tip of ring finger with the 70% of the alcohol using cotton swab. Then rub the finger to increase the blood circulation, then hold the finger using your thumb as I have shown you into the video. Give the sharp prick by the lancet on the tip of the ring finger. Then place the blood drop on a glass slide approximate which produce the 5 mm diameter. Place the blood drop on a glass slide which produce approximate 5 mm of the diameter. Move the slide vertical at every 30 seconds to observe the movement of blood drop like this. Move the slide vertical at the every 30 seconds to observe the movement of blood drop. Note down the time when no movement or change in a shape observed in the blood drop. This is your clotting time. So this is the Duke's method. So here I have explained you the three methods to measure the clotting time of your blood. First one is the Wright's method, Duke's method, Lee and White methods. I have also shown you that when the blood, when you are taking the blood into the capillary through the Wright's method, that time if air bubble comes into the capillary, glass capillary, then you need to remove that air bubble, because of why? That kinds of the air bubble will interrupt in your result to producing the thread. So friend, I have explained the clotting time of own blood sample through the theoretical manner as well as by performing the practical by my own self. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and write your query into the comment box. If you have any query, then I will definitely reply you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you very much.